Okay, so here's what we did when I uh, tried to grade Alex's portfolio. So I go to live text. Here we are in live text. We sign in. We go to reviews. We choose Alex's. We see um, the thing here. So we go to assess document. Now I've already done this. I saved it. You can see that I've graded it, acceptable, target, and so on and so on. I don't know where the comments are. Are the comments not saved? Oh, you have to save each comment? Oh, okay. Well, I'm not going back and saving the comments. Didn't realize you had to do that. Here's the point that I wanted to make, though. There's 8 standards. There's only 8 standards in this rubric. So maybe I did this wrong. I don't know. Let's close this out and try somebody else. So let's go back and look at Caitlin's. So here's Caitlin's. Click on Caitlin's, in-task portfolio, assess document. This is the portfolio assessment, secondary program. Click on that, go to review, select document, and here we go. So we go to uncouple these, make sure to uncouple the rubric from the thing. So here we go. So then I start marking this up, standard 2, standard 3, standard 4, standard 5, and there's only 8 standards.